Let's connect the circuit. Place 555 timer on the breadboard. Ground pin number 1. Short pin number 2 and 6. Connect positive end of the 10 microfarad capacitor to the pin number 6 and negative to the ground. Connect one end of 22 kilo ohm resistor to 6th pin and another end to the 7th pin. Connect one end of the 100 kilo ohm resistor to the 7th pin of 555 timer. Now connect another end to the pin number 8. Connect one end of the push button to 8th pin. Connect one end of the 1K resistor to the push button and the another end to the ground. Connect the another end of the push button to pin number 4 of 555 timer. Connect positive end of 0.1 microfarad capacitor to the pin number 5 and negative to the ground. Place buzzer on the breadboard and LED in parallel with the buzzer. Connect positive terminal of LED to pin number 3 of 555 timer and negative to the ground. The positive terminal of the power supply to the pin number 8 and negative to the ground. Switch on the power supply and apply the voltage ranging between the 5 volts to 9 volts. Here is the result. When we press the push button, we can hear the sound of the buzzer and correspondingly we can absorb the light from the LED. Performing the same by checking with different voltages. Thank you for watching.